We have the single most well-known school in the country. Wilson's Hospital School is a school that everybody knows about, not only nationally, but internationally. People who know of the school do not know how wonderful the school is. Everybody out there has such a misconception about what the school is about, and as soon as you get in through the gates, you only need to walk through the school once to realize these kids are happy. They are just very, very happy. And that's the message I suppose I would like to try and get out as much as possible.
All my cousins have been coming here for years, like back about, I honestly don't know how many years, and they're all like full-grown adults now with families and everything, so it's just a tradition for the Hyde family to come to Wilson's. Especially like coming in first year, you just get such a sense of independence, like being by yourself, and you just have to make friends, you know. You can't, like, you have to socialise, or else you don't have your family with you, like they become your new family, you know.
I came to Wilson's with no connections. I had no family who've been here before, but at the open days, which I attended to multiple different schools, Wilson's really stood out to me because it was quite a family environment. Everyone was really nice and connected.
I'm from Blanchardstown and I discovered Wilson's through family friends. I thought it would be a good idea to come here for a change of scenery, more so than anything. The welcoming that I've gone here has been brilliant, you know what I mean? I wasn't expecting it when I first came, and I've just been accepted, and I found a place for myself to grow and mature in my adolescence. So
you can tell some of the students do get quite homesick, but they're always made better in a few minutes, like whether it's the missus making them a hot chocolate or it's just anything, playing sports outside, you find your second family, you know.
I was on the Leinster Midlands programme for about 18 months, and that was a really enjoyable experience that I got through Wilson's. So Wilson's was the one who submitted me to trial for them in the first place.
Rugby.
Yeah. So the experience I got through that was amazing. It helped me grow as a person and as a player, so I'm thankful for that as well.
There's also kind of an opportunity for students to focus on art as well as sports. So I actually have competed in this competition twice, once in second year and then once in TY as a module that was held. But Jeune Couture is a sustainable fashion competition for secondary school students. So this is my piece that actually won World Designer of the Year when I was in TY.
If anyone would ask, I'd be like, oh yeah, it's a great skill, you know, we've great fun. Like, they're like, oh, do you like going to boarding? Like, what did you do wrong? I was like, oh no, I didn't do anything wrong. It's like you actually love it. You love the whole boarding experience. It's like sleepovers with your best friends every day, you know.
My greatest reservation was that the students and staff would be under a cloud, and that it would affect their day-to-day, and that it would be something that's, I suppose, tricky to get over, tricky to get past. And looking back on it now, looking on everything I know, I would take the school in a heartbeat, because there are so many positives that completely outweigh that story.
His actions weren't the best in terms of the students. It was a distraction for students in the everyday lives of the students and stuff like that. But people are starting to move on, and the school is a complete separate entity from that incident. The school is its own thing. The school has its own goals, has its own morals, aside from Enoch Burke. So I feel like people shouldn't associate the two together.
The school is more than its reputation, and that doesn't always reflect reality, and that our school has so much to offer, from the students to the teachers to everyday life here in Wilson's, and that's something that I've experienced for 6 years day to day. It's an incredible community.
The teachers, the students, they don't pass any remarks to it anymore, because they know themselves Wilson's is so much more than just some name associated with the school, that it's just somebody who comes in, they do their business and we get on with ours, you know.